Hello dear teachers, welcome to my channel. Let's see the lesson plan for the chapter number 4, class 2, Shadow Story. First of all, talking about gist of the lesson, this chapter helps the students to know more about 2D and 3D shapes with their characteristics. Students will know about the shadow formation of different objects. Then talking about the competencies, in maths we talk about 3 basic competencies. First one is knowledge and understanding of basic concept. Second is ability to compute, and third one is problem solving ability. Talking about the first one, we'll write about 2D and 3D shapes around them. How shadow is formed for different shapes. In ability to compute, children will recognize 2D and 3D shapes based on their basic characteristics. Now, problem solving ability, distinguish 2D and 3D shapes present around them in day-to-day life. Now talking about teaching learning outcomes. So students will be able to describe the basic 2D and 3D shapes with their observable characteristics. They'll identify basic 3D shapes such as cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere along with their basic characteristics. Then they will distinguish between straight and curved lines. They'll match the objects with their solid 2D and 3D shapes. Now let us see the activities should be planned for the chapter. Using torch and screen, explain how does the shadow formed. Using hands and fingers, different shadow making. Role play by making the shadows of different animals and creating their sounds. Tracing 3D objects like eraser, leaf, matchbox, sharpener, etc. Differentiating similar shapes and categorize them as per their characteristics. Making patterns using different 2D and 3D shapes. Making a wall hanging using cutouts of different shapes. Drawing simple mehendi designs using 2D shapes. Now how the assessment will be done? We can do individual as well as in group through observation, mock tests, worksheets, real life object identification, through role play and through group pattern making. We'll see in the next lesson plan. Till then, keep learning.